Wait, don't reset your router yet. Resetting your router without proper guidance can cause internet disconnection, lost settings. Before you press that reset button, contact Yoh-Tech Solutions for expert help. Scene for Benefits will guide you step by step to avoid mistakes, fix the issue safely. Stay connected. Scene 5, how to contact, reach us anytime via YouTube channel and Telegram. Search Yoh-Tech Solutions. Facebook, Yoh-Tech Solutions. Scene 6, call to action, save time. Avoid trouble, stay connected. Message us before resetting your router. Yoh-Tech Solutions smart tech support for every home in Ethiopia. Before you reset your router, wait, don't do it yet. Watch this video first. Nowadays, many people are resetting their routers without any prior knowledge about it, and that is causing many problems like internet disconnection, loss of settings, and many more. And at the end, they are left with more problems than before. So before you press that reset button, make sure to watch this video. We will show you how you can avoid all those mistakes and fix your problem in an easy way. So contact Yoh-Tech Solutions for professional help. We have well-trained and certified technicians who will guide you step by step on what to do and what not to do so that you can fix the issue yourself. Our technicians are available 24/7 to help you out. So before you reset your router, make sure to contact us through our available channels. We are available on Telegram, YouTube, and Facebook named Yoh-Tech Solutions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.